We are looking at room 6128. This is a junior suite, Pool Terrace. So you walk in, you see how bright and airy this room is. Big, beautiful king bed, 2 side tables, lots of outlets. So we continue to walk through the room. You've got a nice little love seat, some cushions, coffee table. You've got your mini bar area with some upgraded amenities. Go check out the pool terrace. And you've got a lovely jacuzzi tub, 2 chairs and a table, and your sun loungers, all steps away from that beautiful surmount pool. So we come back into the room, see that beautiful king size bed, television, desk, entertainment unit, and into the washroom area. Beautiful vanity with double sink, toilet area, and last but not least, you have a beautiful shower, the rainwater shower head, handheld nozzle. This is a Preferred Club Junior Suite with Pool Terrace at Dreams Royal Beach.